Hi Kavita,
Hi, Smita. How
Hello,
are you?
Ravita.
I'm good, I'm good. Is it possible to put on your video?
Yeah.
Hi,
Hi.
hope we are not disturbing you on Sunday.
But anyway, I'm right.
Your voice is not clear.
Yeah. Now it is audible?
Yeah, much better.
Yeah.
Yes. So Saksham is in Ireland.
Okay.
Hi,
Hi.
Uh,
Kavita.
Hi,
How
Sasha.
are you doing?
Yeah, I'm good. How about you?
I'm good. Your children like Dragon Ball Z?
No, no, this is my brother room actually.
Oh, okay, all right. I also used to watch a lot of Dragon Ball Z when I was young.
So
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
my son is 1.5 years old. He doesn't know
Oh,
anything.
okay. Okay. He's yet to reach that phase then.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
absolutely.
yeah, yeah. That's great. That's great.
yeah.
Okay. So
First
let's
of all,
start.
yeah, let's start. First of all, congratulations on the, getting opportunity card visa. I'm
Thank
sure
you.
you'll have a wonderful journey.
Yes, yes. I have done a lot of research, and after that only I have submitted all the documents anyway.
Yes,
Without any hassle, I have got the opportunity card.
yes, yes. No, that if the documents are in place, it's very easy to get the visa.
Yes, yes.
Absolutely true. So tell me,
Yes.
Kavita, your journey with Orolingua. I mean, how was it? We want to understand when you joined Orolingua and before and after. How is it?
See, first of all, when I started searching for an abroad jobs and everything, I just scrolled on in an Instagram. Then I came to know about an Allringa, and I didn't research for any other consultancies like an Allringa or any other teaching courses or nothing. I have researched for it. I just got to Allringa because I have searched in LinkedIn and everything. The reviews and everything was good. And once I spoken to Alok, I gain the confidence that this is the right place where I can gain more knowledge about it. So I have joined the Alringa in March 2024, I think. So once I started, I came to know that how come I got the job with my resume? That is the first question I have. That was hit in my mind because my resume was very, very worst at the time. So after I joined the Alringa, I came to know that so this is how we need to design our resume and how the recruiters will see our resume. And I didn't even know how to use a LinkedIn profile and everything. Still now I didn't use that. And after joined Alvinga, I just stick on whatever Aluk has guided us and the team has guided us. I have just designed that. And after that, most of the colleagues in my office also, they will ask me, your profile is looking good and what are the details you have entered in the LinkedIn is very good, and they asked us to teach me how you have done this. So that is a great thing after that happened. So after everything I have learned in Oluringa, I just implemented the same. I didn't diverted, and whatever the steps on the first to last, whatever the steps that have been guided, everything was followed. And after that, with my profile, the only lacking thing is my language proficiency, so that is why still I'm struggling to get a job in Europe. So most of the job rejections have happened. It's not for my skill set, it's only for the language. So I understood that, and now I started learning an German language through Allringa only. So it was very good videos which have been posted over there, and the step by step which has guided in the things. It was really great. I couldn't able to see such a progress, such a clear cut. What are the things we need to learn in A1, A2? I didn't get anywhere like this. So every day I sit just 1 hour to spend in a language thing. But now I have completed almost 85% of the thing, and I had to complete 15%. I only think I need to practice every day. So that is the thing, but it is really helping me. And about this Halloween, I have a little bit confident that I can able to sustain in Europe, and I have a clear idea that how to search a job, and what are the things I need to do, and how to compete in this job market, and everything. I was clear on that. So that absolutely happened because of the Aluringa. I can say that actually, whenever I have a idea about what to do, and wherever I'm lacking, wherever I'm stuck, Alok really helped me at any time. Whenever I messaged him, immediately he used to respond me. And even though I'm not messaged him for a long time, he used to ask, "How are you, Kavita? And what you are doing?" So he always keep in touch. That is the great thing. I was just seen in this ALC actually. So it's a great journey actually. I have learned a lot of things in the ALC.
Right, right. So, when you are saying that, you learned how to make the CV, then how to optimize your LinkedIn profile. So, Kavita, what was that, important, aspect of Aurolinga, whether which part of the guidance, whether it was CV, interview tips, or LinkedIn optimization, what was that, you found most helpful, useful?
That is the caste statements. That is the biggest thing I ever seen in any of the resume. Because while I'm writing the caste statement, I came to know that okay, these are the skill sets I'll be having, and these are the things I'll be known. And once I submitted the resume for any of the job, I'll be more confident that whatever things will be asking from this resume, I can able to answer it. That the confidence has given because of the card statement. So and also adding a metrics in this card statements and wherever in the resume. So that gives more advantage of my resume. So I have attended one of the interview in Philips in Netherlands. This company, I got the 3 rounds has been cleared actually, and after that I got rejected anyway. I got the mail actually rejection mail, but for the first part they have touch base with my resume and the metrics things. How it has been? You are telling that this percentage we never seen this resume, and all the interviews and the recruiters and the HRs wherever I'm sharing the resume, everybody is saying that your resume was good. No one has said that your resume was not suitable and the skill set was not correctly mentioned. Nothing I have heard from till now actually. Wherever I'm sharing to my friends or the networking peoples, wherever I'm sharing, it was the absolutely the good response I'll be getting on the resume. So resume part, the cast statement is the most important thing. And in the LinkedIn optimization, we can see that the correct proper skill set has been correctly fitted on the resume, and the background of the LinkedIn profile and the picture and everything needs to be fitted in a correct way. So that I cannot specifically say that this is the best thing in the LinkedIn. So whatever we have entered and whatever thought in ILC and everything is important because the recruiter first sees the LinkedIn profile and there gives the good impression. So it is everything is very much important in LinkedIn actually. Once I joined in our ALC only, I came to know that this is how I have to use the LinkedIn profile. So whenever I see some other's profile also, I see that this is missing and that is missing. Okay, these people is having this kind of things. I used to see that in that way. So it's a great change in me actually.
Fantastic, fantastic. I can see that the confidence level has also gone up, right? Maybe
Yes, yes, absolutely.
after joining Aurolinga, that confidence has really, it's there in you. I can see that, right? The graph
Yes,
has gone
yes.
up.
Yes, yes, absolutely. Actually, see, whenever the people is speaking with me, they'll say that you cannot blindly go to Europe and you cannot find the job over there. I say that I have a clear structure and I know that what to be done over there. So that's the confidence I have gained because of the ALC only. Without ALC, I cannot gain this confidence, and I cannot leave the job here and going and Europe with an opportunity card is the biggest decision actually. Without this confidence, I cannot take that decision as well. So thanks. Anyway, always I thank to all in the
Great, great. So, Saksham, he's in Ireland, and I'm sure he must be having few questions to Kavita, right, Saksham?
And I just have just
Yeah.
one question now that you're ready to like set foot in Germany soon. So like how are you like feeling about it, and how's everyone in your house feeling about it? How's the atmosphere there?
I'm very much confident that I will land over there and I'll definitely land a job over there.
Mm-hmm.
But everyone with my family, they are little bit scared because I'm going alone and none of the persons I've been known in
Mm-hmm.
Germany. So that is why such a long journey. So they are little scared, but
Mm-hmm.
whatever the confidence I'm giving to them, they just making them up. Okay, okay, you
Yeah,
will sign up.
see, you've overcome so much in your life already. This is nothing in front of that. You will be
Yes,
able to
yes.
do it very easily. That's not an issue at all. Yeah.
I'm
And
sure.
our
Yeah.
support is always there. You know that.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, anyway.
Even
Uh,
after
and
landing in Germany.
Sure, sure.
yeah,
I wish.
that's great, man. Anything about the team as well? The team at
Oh,
Aurolingua?
see, while starting in an Oluringa, the team very much supported me in whatever the mistakes we are doing in a resume. They are clearly pinpointing that, and they are trained in such a way that we are not making a mistake again in the resume or
Mm-hmm.
any job searching point. And the interview point, I didn't touch base right now actually. So because I didn't attend most of the interviews, only one interview I have attended till now. And other the things, everything was guided by the team. Actually, the such a great team. Actually, the All has have.
That's super, super. Great to know, man.
So I have one question for you. Now this opportunity card visa is in place, right? I
Yeah.
am sure whatever you have learned in Orolingua, you are going to follow that strategy to find a job there. I'm sure that everything groundwork you must be doing now and you'll do it when you reach there. Correct? Is that
Yes,
going to help
yes,
you?
yeah, definitely. Without this journey, these strategies, without using these strategies, I cannot land up a job in a Germany because this is the right path and right strategy. I can use it to land a job because Germany is in such a way that Holleringa and both are connected, interlinked. I can feel that both are interlinked. So without this using this strategy, I cannot land up a job there. Definitely, I'll use the same strategy to get a job. I wish I could get even better time later. Yeah.
Fantastic, fantastic. Any advice to all the people who are currently in Orolingua or who want to join this mentorship program? Any advice to them?
First starting where the person who is going to join searching for a job in Europe, this is the right platform. You can just gain more knowledge about how the market is and how to search and whatever the resume part and the LinkedIn optimization, everything need to be known. And this is the Aluringa is the right place to get all this guidance in a one bundle actually. And also gaining a language through Aluringa is also a great actually. So bundling up this all the things in a one place. Will be much more easier and we cannot search for everything separately. So this is the right place we can join and we can learn much better to get a job as fast as possible.
Fantastic, fantastic. So, Kavita, thank you so much. Saksham, do you have any other suggestion,
Yeah,
question,
good. It's all
anything else?
super. Just keep hustling. No other suggestion. Keep
Yeah,
hustling.
Sure,
You'll
sure.
surely do very well. You'll surely do great.
yeah.
Okay, thank
So,
you. I will.
whenever you reach Germany, we are always there to support you. I will meet you there in Germany for sure.
Sure, sure.
And thank you so much for, this is Sunday, then also you have given us a time. Thank you so much and all the best for your future. And Oro
Thank you.
Lingua will always be there with you.
I know, I know. Thank you. Thank you very
All
much.
right. Best
Yeah,
of luck, Kavita. Thanks a
yeah.
lot.
Thank you.
Best of luck.
Thank
Thank
you.
Thank you
you.
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kavita.
Take
Okay,
care.
bye. Bye.
Okay. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Take care.